Okay, so as far as some best practices, again, we have constant conversations with our interventionists as we're going in to do fidelity checks or to attend data meetings. And so we talk a lot about dropping down and raising grade levels in EasyCBM to find the right progress monitoring tool. So these are just kind of some of our guidelines as far as when to drop down. Once we give that universal screener that benchmark, if the student scores below that 10th percentile, we ask our interventionists to drop down 2 grade levels to kind of find an area where they're scoring around the 25th percentile to progress monitor on. If they score between the 10th and the 25th percentile, we just have them drop down 1 grade level. Again, it's usually a puzzle, and it's usually lots of conversations and lots of discussions, but trying to find the most appropriate tool to match what they're doing with their instruction. And so it's great because with EasyCBM, we have several different probes that we can use. And so we say, have you tried this? Or have you tried letter names, letter sounds? Have you tried word reading fluency? So we're able to have a variety of progress monitoring probes for our academic interventionist.
And we really came up with this drop-down kind of guidance tool because what we noticed is when we first started RTI in Rutherford County, the teachers would say, okay, you're scoring at the 10th percentile on the benchmark. We're going to go ahead and drop you down 2 grade levels. And they would start there. As we were going around to data team meetings, we were noticing that, oh, the kids were scoring at the 40th percentile consistently on that particular progress monitoring probe. So we wanted to ensure that the teachers understood that we are trying to close that gap. And if this is where this progress monitoring tool is so critical, I believe, in this whole process, is because if we drop down too low and the test is so easy, our kids are not making the gains that we need them to make. Remember, we have that urgency. We may not have them very long. So we're really trying to close those gaps. So when we came up with this kind of little guidance tool about how to find the proper progress monitoring, we started seeing even more growth in our students.